Hello, welcome to Art Intelligence Solution. This is Yogesh. Today we are going to assemble the bench type drilling machine as you are seeing now in CATIA software. Let us start with the assembly of bench type drilling machine. Let us start.
Zombie apocalypse.
Yeah, now we are going to assemble the bench type drilling machine CATIA software. For that one we need to open the assemble design section. Let us open that one. Now we need to insert the components, existing component. Now I am going to insert the components base of the machine, then head of the machine, then motor, then tool holder. First of all, we will assemble the as per our bench type drilling machine. Then we will insert the another parts. Then they will assemble. First of all, I will take it out and then I will explain how to assemble one by one. Now we need to assemble the head of the machine with machine base. For that one, first of all, I will rotate the part. Yeah. Now I am going to assemble the machine head with the machine base. Then apply. Then try to adjust the head with base as you are seeing now. Then I am going to assemble the motor with machine base. Apply. Then try to rotate the motor. Then now I am going to coincident with the motor shaft with the hole in the machine head. Then apply. Now we need to give the surface distance also between the motor shaft and the head. Then apply. Yeah. Or else we will give the -15 is enough, I think so. -15 distance is enough. Yeah, it's okay. Now we need to insert the tool holder with machine head. First of all, we will rotate the part. Then we will assemble the then select the coincident tool, select the center axis of the machine tool holder, then machine head, then apply. Yeah. Now try to give the surface distances. Give the -30 surface distance, then apply. Yeah, perfect. Now we are going to insert the gears. In practical life, in bench type drilling machine, they will use belt drive. But now I am going to insert the gears. Gear mechanism also used to transmit the motion, but very rare cases. Now we are going to assemble the gears. Let me try to take them out. Then try to apply. Yeah, it is perfect. Now try to give the surface distances between the gear surface and the heads. head surface of the mission head. Then apply. Yeah, perfect. It is assembled perfectly. Now we need to insert this gear. Then apply. Try to give the surface distances between the gear surface and the head of the mission. Zero, enter, apply. Yeah, now we need to insert this gear with motor shaft. Let me try to select. Then give the surface distances, then apply, or else give the surface distances for this 0, apply. Yeah, then try to assemble the another 2 gears. Let me try to insert the parts. Yeah, let me try to take them out. Then we will assemble the gears with mechanism head. As it is now, nothing is changed. Now we need to try the rotate the part, because we need to assemble the parts as per our then apply. Then try to give the surface distances between the gear and surface of the mission head, as we are seeing now. 0, enter, apply. Now we need to finally assemble the final gear. Let me try to rotate the part. Then try to coincident with this hole, and then try to give the surface distances. Zero, enter, apply. Yeah, now we need to arrange the gears. Let me try to arrange the gears. Then yeah, the gears are assembled perfectly. Now we need to insert the another half parts of the gears, then assemble the as per our mechanism. One is a workbench, then handle, then gear. Yeah, that's it. sorry, something is wrong. We need to insert. We will try to again workbench and gear, workbench, handle, open. Yeah, those parts are inserted. Now we need to take them out and then assemble the as per our bench type drilling machine. Yeah, first of all we will assemble the handle with mission base. Let me try to rotate the part. Okay, select the coincident tool, select the center axis of the handle and select the center axis of the mission base, then apply, then adjust the handle as we are seeing now. Then try to assemble the workbench with the handle, then apply. Try to select the inner surface of the workbench, then outer surface of the handle and give the distance 0, then apply. Yeah, it is applied perfectly. Now we need to assemble the gear. Coincident tool again, then try to give the surface distances also. Give it 2 mm, apply. Yeah, it is applied successfully. Let me try to hide the part, then adjust the gear. Edit, move, select this circle. Yeah, perfect. Then click OK. Yeah, now we need to insert the another handle 2, open. Yeah, it is inserted. Take it out. Then select the center axis of the handle and then select the center axis of the hole and try to give the surface distances between the head and handle. This handle will use to feed the tool. Give it 2 mm, then apply. Yeah, then yeah, the assembly of bench type drilling machine is over.